congestion here!
Go, 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 go.
Dear me!
I got someone right up my chuff now.
Oh, went wide. Oh, he's not coming me inside though, he's got me. Get the windscreens on, get the windscreens on. I can barely see.
Oh, got it back! My word!
He's coming for me. He's coming for me. I'm gonna cover that inside line. This is tricky.
Jeez, come on, keep going. Yes, Fred, that's better. Not too fast round here. No, no, stay on.
As the minutes ticked away, the midfield were gradually picking me off.
Don't want to be inside. Keep going, Fred.
And it's safe to say me and McGuinness were really just trying to bring our 150 grand racing rigs back in one piece.
Windscreen wipers have gone. I can't see.
My word!
But up at the front, Harris had spent most of his first ever truck race in the lead.
Come on!
And now, with just a few minutes left of the checkered flag, the fight for the podium was on.
Sliding everywhere now. They got a surprising amount of grip, but when the grip goes away, it's catastrophic.
No, not this time, no, come on. Get it back, get it back. Get it back. Yes. Oh, got it back.
Come on, old girl. This big fella's coming through. Come on.
A bit of a lock up. I'll let him through.
Whoa! Didn't really think that was going to happen. I thumped out of the way.
Come on, keep going, keep working.
I can stay with them, but I can't catch them. Bit of oversteer there. P3! I'll take that. Wow! Wonder where the others are.
There we go. Tell you what, concentrated so hard. Jeez.
Woo! Wow, that was sketchy.
That was trucking.